Hey, Exeller,
What is it, Amy?
please stop killing my friends, seriously. Last time I lost Tails. Come on, what would let you do that?
Well, not only because I want to have more servants in my team, but, because I want you. It's fun.
Wow, Exeller, you really are a bird tree circle.
What in the actual is a tree circle?
Translate bird tree circle into Hungarian.
Fine, I guess.
Motherfucker.
Oh, hell no, man.
That's right, Exeller. You're such a mother.
Amy, how dare you insult me like that? Come on, stop it.
Come on, Exeller, I just had to. You have to stop killing my friends right now, or else.
Okay, sure, I will stop killing your friends, but only with one single condition, okay?
Okay, sure, what is it? Everything for my friends.
It is really simple. You just have to shout aloud L-Link backwards.
Okay, let me think. Kill me!
As you wish, ma'am.